like it, will you spike it? Yeah! If I hit it where you like it, will you spike it? Yeah! Let's play volleyball. Big set, spike. Big set, spike. Big set, spike. Oh yeah. Alright. Three main shots in a volleyball game. If you know them, shout their name. Big set, spike. Big set, spike. Big set, spike. Oh yeah. Alright. You can play it on the beach, play in the sand, play in the pool, play it on land, play inside or play in the sun. Let's play volleyball. You can go to the Olympics if you get real good, so practice hard and do what you should. It's fun to play sport, be part of a team. Let's play volleyball. If I set you up, will you dig it? Yeah!
Walang gagalaw, walang braso, puro wrist lang. Puro wrist saka knee. Kneel down, up. Knee down, up. Ganon. O yan, diretso ha, yan ang guhit ha. Pag lumampas ka dyan, mali na. Wala na. O, wag mo masyado itaas. Okay, baba ulit. Dito ulit sa baba. Okay, diyan tapusin mo na dyan. Okay na, okay na. Tayo ni-stop doon din. Doon din ini-snap.